For a really long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could especially deliver a profoundly trustworthy stage. A stage that can especially be instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and protected from any current and expected dangers. The difficulties of the money area brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that rose to noticeable quality, particularly as to the decentralized finance area. With the developing fame of plentiful resources, the creation of the ONT network in the year 2017 by a gathering of truly Chinese specialists on digital forms of money has just generally demonstrated a gift in an unpretentious manner. This marvel of ontology basically was delivered by the mastery of two pioneers, De Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Here you will get all data about ONT ontology price prediction and its specialized examination in a genuinely significant manner. The ontology project by and large intends to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized existence where the trust element of the majority for the most part assumes a urgent part, which is very huge. Assessing the benefits of the ontology project, it incorporates an elite exhibition situated disseminated personality framework, circulated information trade and joint effort, and conveyed methodology conventions. It mixes isolated networks, dispersed validation and generally consolidates a flexible whirlwind of calculation modules that sort of are confined to genuinely unambiguous enterprises in an unpretentious manner. So it arose as a crypto Goliath that delivers a faultless and most dependable organization, a truly mixed joining of a cross-chain foundation, and supports as a strong crypto organization for applications across industry and all devices. Simultaneously, it encouraged distributed trust, in this way making an exceptionally cooperative and client-cordial connection point in light of genuinely profound learning for the especially open as well as private. Neo-wallet proprietors and endorsers of the ONT email bulletin are special holders of ONT's somewhat, which is very huge. Comprehension of ontology price prediction amazingly. The start of the year 2021 in a real sense was very kind of sure for ONT as there sort of was colossal development from 40 cents to $2.69 by May 2021. It sort of was a development of kind of over 500% in a sort of enormous manner. Financial backers and dealers began benefit booking prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the cost basically tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it in a real sense began the bull run. From that point forward, the coin has been exchanging a sideways venture with sort of minor cost by and large ascents and falls, which fundamentally is very critical. At present, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The whole crypto market truly is blasting, and the equivalent truly is seen for ONT as a slight cost rise. From the ongoing cost level, huge opposition for the most part is seen at $1.04, and critical help is seen at 43 cents, which certainly is very critical. The cost has supported this help level starting around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers incredibly. According to Bollinger Bands, the unpredictability has expanded, and the cost essentially is exchanging over the upper band, demonstrating a hopeful standpoint, which really is very critical. Specialized pointers explicitly are likewise demonstrating bullish force in a significant manner. RSI is at 76, showing exceptionally bullish force and it has crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is likewise exchanging over the really signal line, demonstrating bullish energy in an unobtrusive way. Philosophy price prediction 2022, or so they thought. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very productive and the especially flow cost fundamentally has likewise begun recuperation. The ongoing cost in every way that really matters, is exchanging around 69 cents and as per Ontology coin news, the cost is supposed to increment later on, which is very critical. By December 2022, the digital money could exceptionally basically reflect positive patterns concerning cost, and it might arrive at a very limit of $1.08, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2023 in a kind of large manner. With an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just for the most part amount to the cost of ONT dramatically and essentially coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications, or so they explicitly thought. According to our gauges, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost forecasts, toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28, which is genuinely huge. Cosmology Price Prediction 2024 to 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. Various improvements in the ONT innovation in a real sense are normal, as opposed to mainstream thinking. According to the Ontology cost expectations, the greatest cost is supposed to essentially be around $1.89 continuously 2024 to 2025. Obviously, force majeure explicitly is limited, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cosmology Price Prediction 2026 in an exceptionally significant manner. According to our estimates, a destruction may be normal and the value prompting a cost fall when contrasted with the earlier year, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 could be exchanging around $1.51. Last verdict, Ontology ONT Price Prediction. Ontology has endured for an extremely long period and increased its prosperity through unions and osmosis, banding together with names like MovieBlock, a stage for dispersing films in view of blockchain, and Complayer, Go With Me, and Parody Game, or so they thought. According to our expectations, no big surprise soon the ONT cost will soar, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Ontology a sort of wise interest in 2022? Indeed, as per our cost gauge and specialized examination, the Ontology cost will increment, and it will explicitly be a wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Presently the Ontology value sort of is around 60 cents, however by December 2022, it will really mirror a kind of sure cost change, which is genuinely huge. Is it productive to put resources into Ontology? In view of our Ontology conjecture and examination, it will generally be productive to explicitly put resources into Ontology, ONT for the especially long haul for very nearly a time of 5+ years in a huge manner. How really do I buy Ontology coins for myself in an all things considered, significant way? Many web stages for exchanging digital currencies. The market in a real sense permit speculation, or so they thought. Register yourself with your kind qualifications and execute by means of any of kind of your Master or Visa charge card, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Post check,